Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to use Clash Royale profile theme customization. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is head over to your app drawer and open up Clash Royale on your device. Once you've done that, what you can do is tap on your name at the top left of your home screen. Once you've tapped on your name, what you can do is tap on the brush icon right next to your banner. Once you're over here, you'll be able to customize the decoration inside your profile. You'll also be able to select the emotes, and then you'll be able to select your towers from here. You can also scroll down to find different decorations. If you want to change your name color, what you'll have to do is head back over to the home page, tap on the three lines, head over to settings. Once you're inside settings, what you'll have to do is, and then you'll have to head over to change name. Once you've hit change name, hit OK, and then you can change your name and color as well. To change your name color, what you can do is type in open bracket C hashtag your name bracket and C. You can replace the hashtag with a number from 1 to 8 to pick your color. You can then confirm the change. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.